think this is at Dover. It's the elevator at the White Plains train station, White Plains, New York. Going up to 3. Really don't know what the capacity is. I'll show you in a sec if you haven't seen it already. But look at this. Look at that. Dead indicator. No capacity sign. Alright, there's the bridge, which we'll come back to. The train platform must be on 2. Yeah, it is. I think that's the entranceway. The lower bridge is the exit. Yeah, okay. Look at the cab view. Yeah, it's a little bit dirty in here. It's very dark.